Okay, Amy, let's give this a try. So I'm going to go ahead and edit your polygraph. So I already made a copy of it. Now edit it. And let's pick, say, this one here. And so I'm going to select all that. I'm going to copy it. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the regular Desmos calculator. And so in the Desmos calculator, what I will do is I will paste that function. And I don't know like how much end behavior you want. I could probably shrink that down like that and widen it. I could do a number of different things, you know. Let me press home again. I could also just scroll out, excuse me, and then I could look at it like that. But whenever I get this window how I want it to be, I just click on Save in the upper left-hand corner. And then I go over here to this little kind of share icon. And I copy that link. And so this graph goes from -150 to 150 on the x-axis and from -100 to 100 on the y-axis. When I go back to the polygraph and I delete this out and copy that link in, you can see what it does. It kind of gives me that, graph with the graph settings of that Desmos graph. I'm going to assume it's going to keep and stay. So let's give this a try. And I'll click on Done and see what happens. And yep, and that graph right there is the graph down here in the lower left-hand corner. It looks way different than all the other ones. So that is what you need to do to get your graph settings differently than what's the default in the polygraph. I hope this is helpful.